The OnePlus A6T is a flagship-class smartphone announced for the Chinese market, to be rebranded as OnePlus 15 are in global markets, combining top-tier performance and a very large battery. It runs on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, making it the first phone ever to ship with that SoC. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 storage, promising very smooth performance and fast multitasking. The display is a large 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution, support for up to 165 Hz refresh rate and high peak brightness, which should deliver fluid animations, gaming performance, and high-quality media playback. On the camera side, it mounts a 50-megapixel main sensor plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the rear, plus a 32-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. A setup that looks balanced rather than ultra-flagship with multiple sensors, but good enough for everyday and social media use. The real standout, however, is battery. The A6T packs an enormous 8,300 mAh cell, the largest ever in a OnePlus phone, with 100W wired fast charging, a combination that promises extremely long battery life and rapid top-ups. Additional features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, robust dust/water resistance ratings, IP68/IP69/IP69K, modern connectivity, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, etc., and vapor chamber cooling to keep performance stable under load.